A crystalline structure emerges from darkness, its facets reflecting the multi-dimensional nature of modern leadership. As it rotates in space, each surface captures and refracts light in unique patterns, revealing the complex interplay between human consciousness and artificial intelligence. This isn't just about managing technology, it's about evolving our very understanding of what leadership means in an age of unprecedented possibility. Picture yourself standing at the helm of an organization where traditional boundaries between human and artificial intelligence blur and merge. The decisions you make ripple through this complex ecosystem, affecting not just immediate outcomes but creating waves that influence the entire system's evolution. This is the new reality of leadership, one that requires a fundamental transformation in how we think, perceive, and act. The first state of consciousness emerges: temporal intelligence. Time itself seems to flow differently here, as multiple timelines intersect and influence each other. In a global manufacturing facility, a leader navigates supply chain disruptions before they occur. Their consciousness operates across multiple time horizons simultaneously, addressing immediate challenges while seeding solutions for problems that haven't yet manifested. Watch as they orchestrate a complex dance between AI prediction systems and human intuition. Historical data flows like rivers of light, merging with real-time analytics and future projections. This isn't just forecasting, it's a profound understanding of how time itself operates in the quantum age, where multiple possibilities exist simultaneously until action collapses them into reality. The second state crystallizes: networked cognition. The visualization expands to reveal an intricate web of connections linking minds, machines, and possibilities. In a cutting-edge research laboratory, teams of scientists collaborate with AI systems to decode complex genetic patterns. The leader here doesn't just manage relationships, they cultivate a field of shared intelligence where human creativity and machine processing power amplify each other. Ideas flow like luminescent streams between team members and AI systems, creating patterns of innovation that neither could achieve alone. We watch as breakthrough insights emerge not from individual brilliance, but from the collective intelligence of the entire network. This is leadership as cultivation rather than control, creating conditions for emergence rather than dictating outcomes. The third state illuminates: paradoxical awareness. Here, apparent contradictions dissolve into deeper understanding. We enter a technology company's innovation hub, where the leader navigates seemingly opposing forces with graceful ease. Efficiency and creativity. Structure and flexibility. Scale and personalization. Instead of choosing between these apparent opposites, they understand how to harness the creative tension between them. Through their consciousness, we see how these paradoxes generate energy for transformation. Like the quantum nature of light, simultaneously wave and particle, modern leadership requires comfort with multiplicity. We watch as they guide their organization through rapid change while maintaining stability, embracing both tradition and innovation in a dynamic dance. The fourth state emerges: regenerative purpose. The scene transforms into a living ecosystem of value creation. Traditional profit metrics dissolve into more complex patterns of regenerative impact. A leader guides their organization beyond sustainability to actively healing and enriching their entire stakeholder ecosystem. In a sustainable energy venture, every decision ripples through time, creating cascading positive effects across communities, environments, and future possibilities. AI systems model complex impact scenarios while human wisdom guides ethical choices, creating a new paradigm of success that nurtures the entire system. The fifth state crystallizes: adaptive innovation. The visualization now shows reality itself becoming fluid, as fixed structures dissolve into fields of possibility. We enter an organization where innovation isn't a department or process, it's a constant state of conscious evolution. The leader here doesn't just respond to change, they become one with it, their consciousness flowing like water around obstacles and through opportunities. In a cutting-edge urban development project, adaptive innovation manifests as a living symphony of AI systems and human creativity, constantly evolving in response to emerging needs and opportunities. Fixed plans have been replaced by dynamic intention fields, allowing the project to adapt and evolve like a living organism. These 5 states of consciousness aren't separate territories but interconnected dimensions of quantum leadership. As our visualization expands to its grandest scale, we see how these states flow into and enhance each other. Temporal intelligence informs networked cognition, which enables paradoxical awareness, feeding into regenerative purpose and powering adaptive innovation in an endless cycle of evolution. Let's witness these states in action across different contexts. In a global healthcare initiative, all 5 states of consciousness converge in a symphony of transformation. Temporal intelligence enables seeing how current decisions affect healthcare delivery decades into the future. Networked cognition orchestrates collaboration between medical AI systems, research teams, and healthcare providers across continents. Through paradoxical awareness, they navigate the tension between rapid innovation and patient safety, between standardized protocols and personalized care. Their regenerative purpose extends beyond treating illness to creating systems of holistic wellness that benefit entire communities. And through adaptive innovation, the entire initiative evolves continuously, responding to new challenges and opportunities as they emerge. The visualization expands to show us these transformations unfolding across diverse industries and contexts. In financial services, a banking leader demonstrates temporal intelligence by orchestrating AI-driven risk analysis systems that scan multiple time horizons simultaneously. Their networked cognition enables them to synthesize insights from market analysts, AI predictive models, and social sentiment data. Through paradoxical awareness, they balance innovation in digital currencies with traditional banking stability. Their regenerative purpose guides investment towards sustainable development, while adaptive innovation helps them navigate rapidly evolving financial technologies. In healthcare, a hospital network administrator embodies these states differently. Their temporal intelligence manifests in pandemic preparedness planning, using AI simulations to model multiple potential outbreak scenarios. Networked cognition comes alive in their coordination of AI diagnostic systems with human medical expertise. Paradoxical awareness helps them balance cost efficiency with quality care. Their regenerative purpose focuses on preventive community health programs, while adaptive innovation drives the integration of emerging medical technologies. Manufacturing leaders face unique challenges in developing these states. A factory CEO's temporal intelligence must span supply chain disruptions, technology adoption cycles, and workforce evolution. Their networked cognition coordinates between AI-driven automation systems and human expertise on the factory floor. Paradoxical awareness helps them balance efficiency with worker well-being. Regenerative purpose drives them to transform manufacturing processes for environmental sustainability, while adaptive innovation keeps them ahead of Industry 4.0 trends. In education, these states take on different dimensions. A university president's temporal intelligence bridges immediate student needs with long-term workforce demands. Their networked cognition weaves together traditional teaching methods with AI-enhanced learning platforms. Paradoxical awareness helps them balance academic tradition with educational innovation. Their regenerative purpose focuses on developing future leaders, while adaptive innovation helps them evolve pedagogical approaches for a changing world. Technology sector leaders face perhaps the greatest pressure to embody these states. A tech company founder's temporal intelligence must anticipate technological breakthroughs years in advance. Their networked cognition coordinates global teams working on cutting-edge AI development. Paradoxical awareness helps them balance rapid innovation with ethical considerations. Their regenerative purpose drives them to create technology that enhances human potential, while adaptive innovation keeps them at the forefront of technological evolution. Each industry presents unique challenges in developing these consciousness states. In retail, leaders must cultivate temporal intelligence to anticipate shifting consumer behaviors while using networked cognition to integrate online and physical shopping experiences. Energy sector executives need strong paradoxical awareness to balance immediate energy needs with long-term sustainability goals. Transportation industry leaders require deep regenerative purpose as they guide the transition to autonomous and electric vehicles. The path to developing these states varies by context and challenge. Some leaders begin with strong temporal intelligence but must work to develop networked cognition. Others naturally excel at paradoxical awareness but need to strengthen their regenerative purpose. The journey of consciousness evolution is unique to each leader, shaped by their industry's demands and their organization's needs. Watch now as we zoom in to observe the practical development of these consciousness states across different levels of leadership. Training rooms and executive offices transform into laboratories of consciousness evolution, where leaders engage in deliberate practices to cultivate each state. For temporal intelligence, we witness leaders using advanced simulation environments where AI systems generate multiple future scenarios. They practice making decisions across different time horizons, gradually developing the ability to hold multiple futures in their consciousness simultaneously. The key challenge here isn't just using the AI tools, it's developing the mental flexibility to truly inhabit different time perspectives. In a global corporation's leadership development center, executives work with AI mentors programmed to challenge their temporal assumptions. They face scenarios that require them to balance immediate quarterly pressures with long-term sustainability goals. Through repeated practice, their consciousness expands to naturally consider multiple time horizons in every decision. Networked cognition development takes place in collaborative spaces where leaders learn to orchestrate the flow of intelligence between human teams and AI systems. The challenge isn't technical integration, it's developing the consciousness to sense and direct the flow of collective intelligence. Leaders practice with increasingly complex networks, learning to feel the subtle patterns of information and insight moving through their organizations. A particular challenge emerges in balancing AI and human inputs. Some leaders initially over-rely on AI analytics, while others resist AI integration. The solution emerges through structured experiences that demonstrate the unique value of both forms of intelligence. Leaders learn to create environments where human creativity and AI processing power naturally enhance each other. Paradoxical awareness requires perhaps the most nuanced development approach. Leaders enter specially designed environments where they must navigate seemingly contradictory goals. They work with AI systems that deliberately present conflicting data and perspectives, learning to find higher-order solutions that transcend either, or thinking. The development of regenerative purpose often begins with deep immersion in impact visualization. Leaders use AI systems that model the long-term consequences of their decisions on stakeholders, communities, and ecosystems. They learn to feel the ripple effects of their choices, developing a consciousness that naturally seeks regenerative outcomes. Adaptive innovation capabilities grow through exposure to constant change. Leaders work in dynamic environments where AI systems continuously introduce new variables and challenges. They learn to stay centered amidst chaos, developing the fluid consciousness needed to thrive in uncertainty. Integration challenges appear at every organizational level. Middle managers often struggle to bridge between AI-driven systems and traditional human teams. Senior executives face the challenge of maintaining strategic coherence while allowing for emergence and adaptation. Frontline leaders grapple with implementing AI solutions while maintaining human engagement. The solution lies in seeing these challenges not as problems to solve, but as creative tensions that drive evolution. Leaders learn to use AI systems as consciousness expansion tools, not just operational resources. They develop practices for regular consciousness calibration, using AI feedback to identify blind spots and growth opportunities. Common obstacles emerge across organizations. Resistance to AI integration often masks deeper fears about losing human agency. Short-term performance pressure can conflict with consciousness development needs. Cultural inertia can slow the adoption of new leadership paradigms. Successful organizations address these challenges through integrated development approaches. They create safe spaces for consciousness exploration, using AI systems to provide objective feedback while human mentors offer wisdom and support. They establish metrics that value consciousness development alongside traditional performance measures. The interplay between AI systems and leadership consciousness becomes increasingly sophisticated. AI tools evolve from mere analytical supports to active partners in consciousness expansion. Leaders learn to use AI not just for decision support, but as mirrors reflecting their own consciousness patterns and development opportunities. Watch as a leader engages with an advanced AI system designed to enhance temporal intelligence. The system doesn't just present future scenarios, it adapts to the leader's consciousness, gradually stretching their ability to hold multiple time horizons. Similar tools exist for each consciousness state, creating a comprehensive development ecosystem. These development paths aren't linear but spiral, with each turn bringing deeper integration and new challenges. Leaders find that progress in one state naturally enhances others. Temporal intelligence improvements lead to better networked cognition. Stronger paradoxical awareness enables deeper regenerative purpose. As we observe these development journeys, patterns of successful evolution emerge. The most effective approaches combine immersive AI-enhanced practice environments, regular consciousness assessment and feedback, peer learning and support networks, real-world application opportunities, structured reflection and integration time. Yet each leader's journey remains unique, shaped by their individual context, challenges, and consciousness starting point. The art of development lies in finding the right combination of universal principles and personalized approaches. The crystalline structure that began our journey now returns, but transformed. Each facet now contains worlds of possibility, each reflection shows pathways of potential. This is the future of leadership, not a fixed position but a constant state of conscious evolution, not a solitary journey but a collective awakening. As our exploration draws to a close, we understand that these 5 states of consciousness are more than just capabilities, they're gateways to new ways of being. They represent humanity's next step in our eternal journey of growth and evolution. Through them, we don't just manage the future, we become it. Welcome to the new frontier of leadership consciousness. The journey has just begun.